What's up, everybody? Today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple teleport gun. You can use this for anything that has a circuit board and you can shoot out of. Okay, first we need to get our micro pin out. We can do that by scrolling in our equipment wheel, or we can go into our watch, go to home, go to backpack, and press use on the micro pin. Now that we have our micro pin out, we need to get a gun that we want to shoot and it teleports. I'm going to use a paint scope rifle. Spawn that in, and now I'm going to get the circuit board, and we have to edit into the circuit board. Okay, edit into this, and there's a couple things that we need. We need to get a event. Event receiver. And we're going to configure that event receiver to say projectile hit any. Now we need a collision data get position. Hook that up right there. Now we need a set position. And now we need to wire up the get position into the position, and then the target into the firing player, and the little execution pin to the set position. Now this should be a working teleport gun. We shoot it, and we get teleported. So you can use this with anything that has a circuit board and you can shoot out of. But there is a couple problems with it. You need to have thick walls for it not to go through it. But that's about it. Thank y'all guys for watching.